Okay, by what time is it? Oh boy, where did that phone go? Everything falls down on the ground around here. Okay, that sucks, dude. It's dark. Make sure it's not any garbage. Mama's home, Miggy. Mama's home right here. I'm so fucking sick of living like this, man. Okay, that one's gone right now. Let's look for it. You're gonna have to turn lights on. Dig around in the ground. For every last fucking thing you own. Everything's on the ground. I live like, I can't even find words. I don't know. And I can't remember. I forget everything rapidly. Okay. But we're gonna have to turn lights on. I can't remember anything anymore, minute to minute. And I know that. Okay, I'm supposed to report endlessly. This is all I guess I'm on the earth to do. I'm supposed to report that the poison, for the meantime, has stopped. I witnessed a kill upstairs. The poison was filling my room at the time I typed. Oh, I bet it's in here. Because I had my timer going. That was my timer. For this bullshit I was filming. While they were poisoning me. I know that. That's where I remember having it. Now it's gone. Because you sit in the dark, Heidi. Endlessly, day and night. And this never ends. You find it, okay? As I film this, there's crashing, bashing on floor 3 of an irate terrace. I have to stop filming. There's more violence happening now. Bye.